Alright, to do a similar problem to number 9, obviously I changed the names to help you just keep them separate from the ones, and I gave some different word problems. Anne has 4 more apples than Ben, and together they have 22 apples. So it's going to help us if I identify my variables, so if I call Anne X and Ben Y. First of all, I need to compare Anne and Ben. So if I think about Anne's apples and I think about Ben's apples. So if Ben has 1 apple, Anne has 4 more. She would have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the equal amount in terms of an equation, because Anne is X and Ben is Y, she would have 4 more. So if I take Ben's and I add 4 to Ben's, I'm going to get Anne's total. Okay, because Anne has 4 more than Ben. So if I take Ben's and add 4, I will get Anne's total. So this is one of your equations, X equals Y plus 4. And then I have together, so here's another equation. Together they have 22. Well, if I'm combining Anne's and Ben's together, their total should be 22. So again, I have to solve for X, so if I plug it in, I have Y plus 4 plus Y from here equals 22. I have 2Y plus 4 equals 22. Subtract 4. I have 2Y equals 18. Y equals 9. So this means that the Y person, otherwise known as Ben has 9. And then Anne has 4 more than that. So she has 4 more than Ben, so she has 9 plus 4, so she has 13. And if you add up the 13 and the 9, you would get the total of 22. So go through, and when you start thinking about the setup for number 9 of Jack and Jill, think about Jack and Jill. You know, Jack has 1/3 as many apples as Jill. So Jack has 1/3, which means he has fewer than Jill. So if Jill has 3 apples, he has 3 divided by 1/3. So 3 times divided times 1/3. So he has 1. So he's 1/3 of what Jill has. So think of it that way. Set up your X and Y and compare them. And then set up an equation that way.